In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to address book in Outlook. Let's start an Outlook on the web. Make sure you're signed in and looking at your inbox. The quickest way to add someone to your address book is right from an email they sent you. Open a message from the person you want to save. This ensures Outlook automatically picks up their primary email address and any display name they use. At the top of the message, click the sender's name or their email address. This opens a profile card with details about that person. On this card, look for the three dots, which open more actions. Select Add to Contacts. You'll see a contact form appear. Outlook usually fills in what it knows, like the name and email, so you don't have to. Take a moment to add anything helpful, such as a phone number, company, job title, or a quick note about how you know them. Adding context now makes searching and filtering faster later. When you're done, click Save. That's it. The contact is stored and will show up when you compose messages or schedule meetings. If you don't have an email to start from, you can add someone manually. In Outlook, open the People view. You can get there by selecting the People icon in the app launcher or the navigation bar. Once you're in People, choose New Contact. A blank contact form opens. Type in their name and email address first. Those are the essentials. Then, if you have them, add additional details like phone numbers, a work address, a birthday, or notes. Details are optional, but they make your address book more useful, especially if you work with many contacts. When everything looks good, click Save to add the contact to your list. A few tips to keep things tidy. Use consistent naming, first name, last name, so searches are predictable. If Outlook suggests a duplicate, review it to avoid creating multiple entries for the same person. Consider adding categories or tags if you use them, which helps group contacts by team, client, or project. And if you ever need to update a contact, just open People, search for their name, make your changes, and save. No need to create a new entry. That's all you need to add contacts to your Outlook address book, whether you are starting from an email or creating a new entry from scratch. Save a few key people now, and you'll save time every day when composing messages or setting up meetings.